To create a Google form, you first need to log into your FCPS Google Apps account. Once you've logged in, please go to Google Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive, click on the red New button at the top left-hand corner of your screen. Scroll down and over to select Google Forms. Once you select Google Forms, a new untitled Google form will pop up on your screen. To label this form, click on the untitled form text and type in your title here. To create your first question, click on the untitled question text. Type your question on this line. To select the type of question, click on the drop-down menu to the right of this line. As you can see, there are many different options that you can choose from. To select a multiple choice, once you select a multiple choice, you need to write some options that your participants can select. You can do this by simply clicking on the option 1 text and typing what you would like to write. You can add more options by clicking the Add Option button, and more lines will appear. If you would like to add a text description or a title to your question, you can do so at the toolbar to the right of your question box. You can also add an image or a video in this toolbar. To add a question, simply click the Add Question icon in this toolbar. Again, I can type my question on the question line and then select the type of question I would like to use from the drop-down menu. If I would like a question to be required, I simply click on the toggle right next to the Required button on the bottom right hand of the box that the question is in. If I would like to change the theme, I click on the color palette. I can change specific colors, or I could choose a specific image that will appear. To see how this form will look for my participants, I can click on the Eye or Preview button, and it will show me what my participants will see. Notice there's a red asterisk next to questions that are required. If a question is required, it will not allow the participant to submit the form unless the required questions are answered. To leave this view, I just click on the pencil to get back to the Edit Form view. I can click on the Settings icon to limit the number of responses and restrict who can complete this form. I can also change this form into a presentation or a quiz. If I make it into a quiz, there are some adjustments that I will need to make on the form. These adjustments will be explained in another video. To send the form or to give it to participants, I click on the Send button. Here I can either email the form directly to the participants that I would like to take this form, or I can get a hyperlink and copy and paste the link into any document or Google Classroom or worksheet or whatever makes sense for my classroom. Thank you for watching.